Hello and greetings to one and all. My name is Sean Menezes and I am a student of third year BBA Financial Services. And in this video, I'm going to share a few experiences of mine that I've had studying in this particular program. So to begin with, I'd had a very rewarding 3 years studying in this course, and it is merely because of two reasons. One is because of how the syllabus was designed and the activities that I got to participate in this program. Now to begin with, the syllabus was designed in such a way that we not only got to study the theoretical aspect of it, but also to apply it in practical terms. I remember our teachers used to help us in reading newspapers and also encourage us to follow news apps like the Money Control app on our smartphones to be well equipped and well knowledgeable about the current whereabouts in the financial market and economic environment as a whole. And being able to read newspapers and follow news through these various applications helped us a lot in actually applying what we learn in classrooms in real life situations. And speaking about application in real life situations, the department organizes an event on every Saturday called the Investors Hub activity, where we got to participate in various activities like mock trading competition, like essay writing competition, debate competition, research papers competition, and much more. This actually helped us in applying our knowledge in proper real life situations. And I would like to end this video by sharing my most treasured experience of mine in this course, and that was when I was selected to participate in Moneta 2018 amongst a group of 10 of our most talented students. And that was a really great experience for me because Moneta 2018 was organized by SP Mandali's R.A. Podar College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai. And Moneta is such a huge event that it is considered to be India's biggest financial event. We had students representing the top business schools of India, and to be participating amongst those students was truly incredible. And for the fact that I managed to secure second place in this competition called portfolio management, and that was truly incredible because you're not just participating, you're participating and battling it out, and most importantly winning it amongst the top students representing the top business schools of India. And that was a really rewarding experience for me, and that for the fact that I got to learn a lot going to Mumbai and to participate among the top business schools from among the top students was truly incredible.